I also started a foundation for scholars na I'm being able to send them to school kasi I haven't finished my school.
Anong year ka nag-stop?
Parang first year college nga lang, Miss Tony. Hindi nga siya kahit 2 sem yung pinasukan ko sa Lasal. And I was self-supporting myself during that time. Yung mga kinikita ko sa commercial, pinapasok ko sa eskwelahan. And that's why I'm very emotional about whenever I talk about education. Kasi ang sakit na, di ba sometimes, they say na hindi hadlang ang kahirapan.
Para
Sorry po, hadlang po ang kahirapan sa pag-aaral. No matter how hard you try, if you don't have the finances, kani-kanino ka lalapit para tulungan ka. And you have what it takes. You know to your heart and to yourself that, I wanted to finish school because I want to change my life. That's why my foundation is here. That's my vision.